how you can access multiple people with the same card by distributing them with a QR code. So this is dot tag, and now you can use this same QR multiple times at the same event. Like recently, I have collected 27 leads out of 60 members. Whoever and whosoever I have interacted with, they have saved my contact number. Now here the trick is, I have set my contact number in such a way. Suppose my name is Mohammed Ali Khond and I have added such keywords which are regarding my industry. For example, website development, app development, and digital marketing. So this all helps when people search in their contact book and you appear there. So by that, the chances are higher to contact you. Similarly, you will get a send button on the same page where people can send their number through WhatsApp. So by doing this, you are visible on their WhatsApp and people can access you. So here is the huge benefit. By not lying on the table and given to the marketing team, your card will be utilized properly. So use dot tag today. In the next scenario, I am going to share you how you can utilize it. Click the button below and fill out the form. You will get the access within few days. Enable the networking power with dot tag. Now follow the steps to utilize the dot tag. Simply ask to scan the QR code, and once the QR code is scanned, you can select either Google app or else your device scanner app. Simply just click on the link. Once you open the link, there will be two options with you. Would you like to save the contact, or would you like to send the number to the another one who have the dot code? By following this both process, you can just simply add your number into the mobile phone and simultaneously receive their number to your WhatsApp. Just click the link below and get your dot tag with you.